Hello guys, welcome to my new another video. Today's video contains top 5 kitchen dish drying rack that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5. This dish drying rack by Generic is a reliable and practical addition to any kitchen. Made of durable carbon steel and plastic materials, this rack is designed to last and withstand daily use. The rack's dimensions of 16.6 inches in diameter, 12 inches in width, and 13 inches in height provide ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and more. One of the standout features of this dish drying rack is its rotating spout and automatic drainage system, making it easy to direct water flow directly into the sink without causing a mess on your countertop. Additionally, the rust-resistant coating ensures longevity and keeps the rack looking new even after continuous use. The sleek black color and space-saving design make this dish drying rack an attractive and functional addition to.
Number 4. The Viver Dish. Drying rack is a versatile and efficient solution for all your kitchen needs. Made of durable polypropylene, this dish rack is designed to withstand daily use and is resistant to rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. With product dimensions of 12.6 inches in diameter, 22 inches in width, and 15 inches in height, this rack offers ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchen essentials. The sleek silver color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the 22-pound weight limit allows you to dry multiple items at once. Whether you prefer to mount it over the sink, on the sink, or as a tabletop option, this dish drying rack offers flexibility and convenience to suit your space. Its special features include space-saving design, expandable capabilities, and rust-resistant properties, making it an ideal choice for any kitchen setup. Manufactured by Vivor, a trusted brand known for quality home products, this dish drying rack has garnered.
Number 3. The Songmix Dish Drying Rack is a versatile and efficient kitchen solution that combines functionality with a sleek design. Made from high-quality stainless steel and PP plastic, this dish rack is built to last and withstand daily use in any kitchen setting. Measuring at 12.5 inches in diameter, 22.5 inches in width, and 9.7 inches in height, this dish drying rack provides ample space for draining dishes, storing utensils, and other kitchen essentials. The silver and black color combination adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of the Songmix dish drying rack is its 360 degrees rotatable spout, allowing for easy water drainage in any direction. The rack is also designed to be removable and customizable, making it convenient to adjust based on your specific needs. Whether you need a dish drainer, extra kitchen storage, or a utensil holder, this countertop mount dish rack offers versatile storage options to help you keep your kitchen organized and...
Number 2. The rust-proof stainless steel dish drying rack by PKBD is a versatile and stylish kitchen accessory that combines functionality with a sleek design. Made from durable rust-proof stainless steel, this drying rack is built to last and withstand daily use in any kitchen environment. Measuring at 16.54 inches in diameter, 11.81 inches in width, and 13.38 inches in height, this dish drying rack offers ample space for drying dishes and utensils with ease. The black color adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, making it a practical and stylish addition to your countertop. The PKBD dish drying rack is not only suitable for drying dishes, but also works well as an utensil holder, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Its countertop mount design allows for easy access and efficient drying, while the space-saving feature makes it ideal for kitchens with limited space. With a weight of 6.14 pounds, this dish drying rack is sturdy and stable, ensuring that your dishes are set.
Number 1. The dish rack is a well-designed and functional kitchen accessory that is essential for efficient dish drying and organization. With product dimensions of 17.24 inches, 12.99 inches, 5.71 inches, and an item weight of 4.42 pounds. This dish rack is sturdy and spacious enough to hold a significant number of dishes, cutlery, and kitchenware. The dish rack with ASEN B0CQ4K61MH has garnered positive feedback from customers, reflected in its average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 47 ratings. Its popularity is evident as it holds the best sellers rank of #10, 345 in kitchen and dining, and hash 126 in dish racks, indicating its reliability and quality in the market. This product offers a practical solution for air-drying dishes, preventing water puddles on countertops, and keeping the kitchen neat and organized. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a valuable addition to any kitchen setting. The dish rack has been available since February 21st, 2024, making it a relatively new but